Okay, before we move on to other things, we should probably talk a little bit about mixed numbers. And mixed numbers are basically numbers that look a little bit like this. Say I've got something like 5 3/4. This implies I've got 5 whole things and then a portion. So this is our whole number. And then we've got our fraction. And if this is done correctly, we should have a whole number and a proper fraction here. Well, we should never have an improper fraction in this. I do want you to note that this, if I were to write this out in sort of an expanded format, this would be the same thing as 5 plus 3/4. I know that sometimes we will write multiplication as two things just right against one another. This is not 5 times 3/4. This is actually 5 plus 3/4. That's that whole number and our fraction. So what we should talk about when we're talking about mixed numbers is let's talk about converting back and forth between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So going from a mixed number to an improper fraction is really quite simple. We could think of it as, if we really wanted to, we could think of this as an addition and say, oh, well, let's find a common denominator. It would have to be that 4. This would become, 20/4 plus 3 and end up with 23/4. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply our whole number by the denominator, and then we're going to add that to the numerator. So this is a very fast process. So with that 5 3/4, that would be 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23/4. Or if you want me to see what that thought process was there, like I said, it was that. So that 5 3/4, I said that was 5 times that 4. So 5 times 4 plus that 3. So that's 20 plus 3 is 23. The denominator never changes. All right, let's do that again. Let's see what happens if we do this a couple times. Say I've got something like 2 1/8. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17/8. We're done. Wow, that's easy. Let's do it again. Let's say we've got 6 and 4/9. Well, 6 times 9 is going to be 54. 54 plus 4 is going to be 58. That'll be 58/9. We're done. Going backwards, going from improper to mixed is also pretty easy. Let's show you what's going to happen with that. Oops. Let's go from improper to a mixed number. And with this, we're going to do the division. Our quotient is the whole number, and a remainder is our new numerator. Okay, let's try it out. Say we've got 11/4. This is going to be 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4. 4 goes into 11. It looks like it'll go in there 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. I've got 3 left over. So this 3 is going to come up here and become our new numerator. It's going to be 2 3/4. Let's do it again. Let's say we've got shall we do an easy one or a mean one? Let's do one that might be a little tougher. How about I do something like 41 over 15? 41 fifteenths. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and do that division. 41 and 15. Well, looks like I've got a 2 again. 2 times 15 is going to be 30. So we'll have 11 left over. So it's going to be 2 and 11 fifteenths. That remainder becomes my numerator. My denominator always stays the same. Okay, let us know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.